asking his other student athletes about how to balance their academics or being an athlete at the same time.
I'm with Prince.
ICC Pada.
Fine.
Karil Miranda.
Jake.
What sport?
Basketball.
Volleyball.
Basketball.
Volleyball po.
Volleyball.
So I'm gonna ask you some questions. How do you balance your academics while being an athlete at the same time?
Siyempre, as a student athlete, kailangan mo magkaroon ng self-discipline. At saka kailangan mo mag-set ng goals everyday. At saka kailangan yung goals na sinet mo, kailangan makumpleto mo yun.
Balancing my studies and at the same time as an athlete, hindi po talaga madali. Kasi sa oras pa lang po is sobrang hirap po talaga pagbalansin. Lalo na po, pagod ka po pagkatapos ng training and then pasok po sa paaralan.
First, time management talaga is the key, and after nun, magagawa mo na lahat ng kailangan.
Siguro nababalance ko lang po siya. Kapag may free time po, gawin lang yung mga activity.
Just know your priorities lang. Example, pag nasa school lang, nag-aaral ka, pag-isipin yung after sa isipin pagkagawa mo.
Saan yung NS mo?
Enjoy.
Home.
Amazing.
Quality.
Be an Zion. Choose NU Nazareth School.